Hello everyone, and welcome to today's health-focused video. We'll be addressing a common discomfort, dry socket pain. But don't worry, because I've got a soothing and natural solution to share with you. Let's explore the ingredients and steps to alleviate that discomfort. First in our lineup is the natural marvel, clove oil. Clove oil is renowned for its analgesic and numbing properties. It has been used for centuries to relieve dental pain and discomfort. Apply 2 to 3 drops of clove oil to our remedy bowl. Next up is the versatile and comforting coconut oil. Not only does it bring a soothing texture, but coconut oil also possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to our mixture. Completing our trio is the timeless olive oil. Olive oil is not just a kitchen staple. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to our healing blend. Now, let's mix these ingredients thoroughly in the bowl. Ensure a uniform and well-blended solution for optimal effectiveness in addressing dry socket pain. To apply this soothing mixture, take a cotton ball and gently dip it into our healing blend. Once saturated, carefully place the cotton ball on the affected area, ensuring it covers the exposed socket. The combined properties of clove oil, coconut oil, and olive oil will work together to provide relief and promote healing. There you have it, a natural remedy to ease dry socket pain. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more health-focused content, and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Wishing you a swift recovery and relief from any discomfort. Until next time, take care of yourselves.